Okay, yeah. Close the door. I think this one is so bright. I need to, yeah, this one is somehow dim. Yeah, I think for now, let me put back this one, this big one. Where is it? It is that one. Huh? It is this one. I'm even looking for the bulbs in my house. I have two bulbs. That one, and then this one. Yes, traders, you're highly welcome in my channel. It's me at Forex. I'm just back from work, and it's a little late. It's a little late right now. I'm just putting that helmet there, and let me see the time. It is 11 at night. Yeah, it is 11 at night. Nairobi time, which is also Ugandan time. I came with this. This one is a root. Okay, in Uganda here it's quite common. Yeah, it is actually believed that it can make you this big. Yeah, you are this big, and also opens your vessels in the body, and also below in the description down there. Yeah. In case you like my channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share. I have a lot to do right now. I'm actually going to wash some clothes, to wash this, wash also that, as you are seeing them here. I have some 1 2 3 pants, okay, actually 4 plus the one I'm putting on, and then I shower. After showering, and then I will go with you through the trade I have been taking last week. Yeah, there's a trade I was taking last week. It is going so well, and I'm in a massive profit. Yeah, but the trade is not stressing me, and it was not stressing me because I was trying a strategy that does not stress anyone, a stress-free strategy, or type of a trade. Yeah, so I don't know if you have this route in your country too, but I think in most tropical African countries, in African countries that are in tropical zone or tropical area, they may have this. So, and with trading is real, guys. People in Uganda here say that trade is scam. Trade is not a scam. They also say that trading is a betting. It is not a betting, but you can make it become a betting. Yeah, you are the way you handle it, the way you also handle yourself. Also, the way you trade, you can make it a betting, but indeed it's not a betting. The market is real, and the market needs patience. No rushing with the market. Yeah, I'm just exhausted. I'm from work, hustling on the road as a border guy in Kampala, Uganda. But as a man, we have to hustle. Yeah, because there's a say that says that opportunity will come when you're ready for it, or when you're in a position of that opportunity, when you're in a position of receiving and maintaining it. That is the say. Yeah, but if you're not in a position already, the opportunity can come, but you will lose it. Yeah, so we have to hustle. Let me first close this door very well since it is late and it's at night. You never know. Some idiot may break into my house when I'm making a content and fight, boom, 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 fight. I mean, as in a thief. Yeah, because there was a thief here, one thief that used to disturb people at night. But nowadays, I've spent a long time without seeing him, or without hearing about him. Yeah. So, we as men, we have to really work hard all the time. For me, I go to work. You see, for me, I go to work at 10 up to 11 at night, 10 a.m. Okay, up to 11 p.m. Yeah, busy working, hustling, seriously. So, let me go and get some water. I'm going to the well. I have some empty jerry cans here waiting for me. This one is empty, and also one of these is also somehow empty. Yeah, but I'm going to fill it with water. I think I need 2 jerry cans to wash and shower. I've spent almost a week without showering. If you do my skin like this, especially in the neck, some dirt, a mud like may come in your finger. So it has been raining a lot. That's why actually I've not been showering. Even today it rained. It has been raining almost 2 weeks, 3 weeks, not very sure, but every single day here it rains. And my motorbike is super dirty. Even tomorrow morning I need to wake up and wash the bike and then go on the road. And also it will rain again and get my bike dirty again. But still, since it has been raining, I've never washed my bike. So tomorrow also my bike is going to shower. As also I'm going to shower today. I will see you when I'm back from the well. So tired. I've just arrived from the well and it was not that easy and near. So, but I came back with 2 full jerrycans of water. I'm going to wash from outside. I need to take that, that basin out. Okay, I need to take that out and wash from there. Ooh, I'm fearing this thing can hit my head. Yeah, possibly it can. The house is quite small. Yeah. So, 2 more, and then I go shower. Yes, traders, I'm done washing. Now I'm going to shower, and then eventually we jump on the chat. Wow, long time not exercising. So this water, I will use it tomorrow for washing my bike, and my laundries are there. So I will hang them tomorrow. When the sun comes and when it rains, the Lord will take care of it. Yes, I'm now ready. We can get in the chat and then we see the trade that I took, and actually I'm in good profit, yeah, by now. But I think I need to smear my face with a lotion. Yeah, I should. Yep, I think I'm now quite better. Yeah, let's go in the chat, traders. Traders, you can see, that this was Euro JPY that I took last week. Actually, this is on 45 minutes, okay, but I did some top-down analysis. I started from 1 month, okay, yeah, from 1 month, and also this is what you can do. I had to label these points of interest, okay. The point of interest, you can see that all the way from here the trade came all the way, making a higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, meaning that the trade is going downtrend, yeah. So actually these are, I cannot say point of interest, yeah, I can say point of interest, and also can be the structure of the market, indicating that the price is leaving fair value gap here, creating liquidity void, yeah. So meaning that in a nearby future it will go back to fill some orders that were left here on higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. So it came all the way from up there and then mitigated this level, yeah, it mitigated this level. Therefore the price will reverse at some point from here, taking the other direction up. That was 1 month, so this is weekly. So the trade indeed, the price indeed has moved, as you can see, and the trend was created downward like that, yeah. The trend was created here, I'm moving down, but then somewhere here it started ranging from here, yeah, meaning that the price may, after ranging, it may either shoot down or upward, but from here it started to shoot down, coming to fill this order here. So on one day you can see the price moved down after ranging in that level there, yeah. And also as I've marked it here, you can see it ranged there and it broke through that level, it broke here, yeah. And then on 3 hours it was so clear here, yes, it was very clear about the movements of the trend. Yes, this is the trend that showed us in that we saw in 1 day, that broke this level, that actually broke this level here. Yeah, that broke this level here, and then in 1 hour, you see the trend moved seriously. On 1 hour was where I made my confirmation. I saw here the price came up to this trend line all the way to reverse up here, made a huge engulfing candlestick that engulfed this green small one, and then it came as if it was going down, and then reversed up to retest this level, and then it eventually started shooting down. But me, I made my entry exactly right there at the edge, aiming for 69 pips. Yeah, and then on 45 minutes, that is where I took my entry, in fact, and this trade is on break even. Yeah, even if it reverses against me, it is a no loss trade. And actually, this is called swing trading, and in swing trading there's no stress. Yeah, you can just trade with a lot of freedom, but you just have to increase on your lot size and maintain the lot size, and then trade wisely without stress. Yeah, so let us go on MT5 and I will see how much I got. So on MT5 it is $12. Yeah, this is so massive. Okay, traders, if you like the content, remember to subscribe, like, and share, and I will be able to see you in the next video. Bye.